Hi, in our latest bundle, A Haunting We Go, we've included a printable dial element. So it's going to be a little bit different than we handle an SVG file. So this tutorial I'm going to show you how you are going to print and cut that using your Cricut design space. So let's get started. The first thing that I wanted to mention is that anytime you do a print to cut option, you might want to go up here to the 3 lines up at the top left, and you might want to do a calibration on your machine. What this does is it calibrates your machine for your printer so that you have a little bit better or more accurate results. Sometimes if you're having some issues where something might be off, doing a print then cut calibration usually solves that. So I did want to point that out. If you were having any issues, make sure you go up here to the top left and go to calibration and then print then cut and follow the directions on the screen. I have already done that, so I am going to click upload, and I'm going to upload my image and browse. I'm going to navigate to that folder, and I'm going to open the PNG folder. From here, I'm going to click simple and continue. There's nothing that needs to be done on this screen, so I'm going to just click that apply and continue button. And lastly, we just need to select the print then cut option and upload. All right, I just need to highlight that now and add to canvas. All right, so you see that it is on my canvas. The last thing that I need to do, because it is a PNG file, sometimes they do not come in at the correct size. The width of this one does need to be changed to 2.25. So I'm going to make sure that my little icon up here is locked so that my proportions stay the same. And I'm going to change the width to 2.25 and hit enter. You'll see that that has been changed nicely for us. I just need to click make it and continue. I'm going to click send to printer. My printer dialog box is going to open. For this example, we want to make sure that add bleed is turned on. That'll put a little extra black on the outside of that so that when it cuts, you shouldn't have any white line there. And you're going to send that to the printer. Once that's been printed out, then you're just going to follow the directions on your machine and design space for loading your mat and cutting your project.